Welcome to the JDisc Discovery video channel, where the magic happens. I'm Mario, your guide on this epic journey, and today we've got something super cool to unveil, the dazzling new integration of end-of-life support. So, what's the big deal about this snazzy feature? Buckle up, and let's dive into the wonderland of innovation. Understanding end-of-life information is crucial, as it allows you to efficiently track end-of-life data. This ensures you are aware of when your hardware and software will no longer receive updates and support. Minimize risks by planning upgrades in advance to prevent security vulnerabilities. With centralized insights, you can access all end-of-life information directly through JDisc Discovery, utilizing data from end-of-life.date. Enhance your IT decisions by ensuring compliance and making optimal use of your assets. Transform your asset management strategy with JDisc's latest feature to maintain a competitive edge. How the new end-of-life feature works. When JDisc Discovery scans the first device in your database, the end-of-life database will initially be empty. At this point, JDisc automatically retrieves all the relevant end-of-life data from end-of-life.date and populates the database. This ensures that your end-of-life information exists in the database. As devices are scanned, JDisc matches the detected devices with the corresponding end-of-life data and saves this information in the database. This seamless integration allows you to associate end-of-life details with your discovered assets in real time, ensuring that your asset inventory reflects accurate lifecycle information. The new end-of-life feature provides three types of reports under the Software then End-of-Life tab. Active Date Report displays the date when the product was actively supported and received updates from the vendor. This report helps identify products that are still within their vendor-supported lifecycle. Security Date Report highlights the last date on which the vendor provided security patches and updates. This report is critical for identifying vulnerabilities and ensuring compliance with security standards. Extended Date Report lists the extended support date, if available. Extended support often includes paid services or limited updates for critical issues, providing additional time for organizations to transition away from deprecated products. In addition to these reports, three indicators are included to provide users with a quick overview of the operating system's lifecycle status. Okay, the operating system is within its support period and does not require immediate action. Expire soon, the operating system's end-of-life date is less than 90 days away, signaling the need for proactive planning. Expired, the operating system has passed its end-of-life date, requiring immediate attention to address potential risks. These reports empower IT teams to track and manage lifecycle information effectively, allowing for proactive decision-making and better resource allocation. In addition to the reports, users can view end-of-life dates directly within the device details under Software then Operating System. This provides a granular look at the lifecycle status of individual devices. Furthermore, in most cases, a link is available that directs users to the vendor's official site, where they can read more about the product's lifecycle and support policies. This feature ensures that users have all the necessary information at their fingertips for informed decision-making. What about devices that were scanned before this feature was introduced? Should users rescan their devices to apply the end-of-life data? The answer is a resounding no. To make this process seamless, the new JDisc Discovery build includes an end-of-life information action under the Discovery menu. With this action, users can select any number of previously scanned devices and update their end-of-life data without needing to rescan them. Additionally, from any device report, users can multi-select devices and apply the end-of-life data update in bulk. This new capability saves time and ensures that your database remains consistent and up-to-date, even for devices scanned in the past. Users also have the ability to manually update the end-of-life database with the latest data from end-of-life.date. A new button in the administration menu allows users to trigger an update. By selecting this button and confirming the action, the end-of-life database is refreshed with all the latest information. If users do not perform this manual update, the end-of-life database is automatically updated every 14 days when the first device is scanned. This default interval can be adjusted from the configuration menu under the Data Collection then End-of-Life tab. Like other implementations in JDisc, this tab provides options to customize the settings for this new feature, ensuring that it aligns with the specific needs of your organization. As part of the first release of this new feature, the supported operating systems include Windows, Windows Server, Linux distributions such as Ubuntu, Red Hat, CentOS, Debian, CentOS Stream, Amazon Linux, and OpenSUSE. These are the initial supported operating systems. However, future releases will also incorporate application support using data from the end-of-life.date website. For a device to be assigned end-of-life data, it must have sufficient information available. In most cases, the first filter used is the kernel version, followed by other indicators such as the operating system version, which are collected by JDisc Discovery and matched with the end-of-life database information. Thank you for watching this video and give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Get our software from your download page and find more videos on our YouTube channels. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn.